Now it's really difficult to see in the video, but underneath her lip, she has a pink mark on her. Now to get that off, I'm using 10% benzoyl peroxide acne wash mixed with 50 volume hair developer and the sun. I just put a little bit on, just where the mark is, using a Q-tip. She also had some on her leg. I put her in the direct sunlight, covered her up to protect any other areas of her body. The kids really got a kick out of it. After 8 hours, I wiped it off with a magic eraser, and the mark was completely gone.